Welcome to Tech Explorer, your go-to destination for the latest tech insights and smartphone deep dives. Today, we have something truly exciting to discuss, the Nothing Phone 3A. Continuing the brand's philosophy of unique design, clean software, and powerful performance, the Phone 3A aims to bring a premium experience at an affordable price. With a 6.77-inch AMOLED display, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a versatile triple-camera setup, and a large 5,000 mAh battery, Nothing has packed some impressive features into this device. But how does it compare to its competitors, and is it the right phone for you? Let's find out. One of the biggest reasons Nothing has gained popularity in the smartphone market is its unique transparent design, and the Phone 3A keeps that tradition alive. The back panel showcases the signature glyph interface, a set of customizable LED light strips that serve multiple functions. From call and message notifications to battery charging indicators and music synchronization, these LED lights add a whole new dimension to user interaction. What makes the Phone 3A's glyph system even more advanced is the ability to assign custom light patterns to specific contacts, apps, or functions, ensuring you never miss an important notification. Whether you're in a meeting, gaming, or just want a more intuitive way to receive alerts, the glyph interface makes notifications more interactive and visually engaging. The Nothing Phone 3A also introduces a new customizable action button, placed conveniently on the side of the device. This button allows users to quickly trigger features like silent mode, the camera, the flashlight, or even launch specific apps, making it a handy addition for productivity and convenience. With a sleek aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass protection on both sides, the phone not only looks premium, but also feels durable and solid in hand. Available in Nothing's classic black and white color variants, the Phone 3A stands out in a sea of generic smartphone designs. A smartphone's display plays a crucial role in the user experience, and Nothing has made sure the Phone 3A delivers an exceptional visual experience. It features a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and ultra-responsive touch controls. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching content, the vivid colors, deep blacks, and HDR10+ support make everything look stunning. The display's peak brightness levels allow for excellent visibility under direct sunlight, while its thin bezels and symmetrical design create a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching your favorite YouTube videos, editing high-resolution images, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Phone 3A's display is a treat for the eyes. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, built on a power-efficient 4nm architecture. This processor is designed to strike a perfect balance between efficiency and power, ensuring fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and reliable gaming performance. Paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, the Phone 3A ensures that you experience zero lag and fast data transfer speeds. Whether you're a heavy multitasker switching between multiple apps, or a mobile gamer playing demanding titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset can handle it with ease. Additionally, Nothing OS 3.1 comes with various optimizations that enhance performance by reducing unnecessary background activity, ensuring your phone remains fast and responsive even after months of usage. Nothing has equipped the Phone 3A with a high-quality triple-camera setup, designed to deliver flagship-level photography at a mid-range price. The 50MP primary sensor ensures sharp and detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The advanced AI processing and improved HDR algorithms help retain natural colors, enhance shadows, and bring out details that other smartphones might miss. The 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom allows for close-up shots without loss of detail, making it perfect for capturing distant subjects. Meanwhile, the 8MP ultra-wide sensor expands your field of view, ensuring you can fit more into a single frame, ideal for group photos, landscapes, and architectural shots. For low-light photography, the device features an upgraded night mode, which enhances details, reduces noise, and maintains a natural color balance. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night or taking selfies in dim lighting, the Phone 3a delivers impressive results. The front camera also supports 4K video recording, making it an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and selfie enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Nothing Phone 3a is its long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without interruptions. Whether you're browsing, streaming, gaming, or using social media, this battery can handle it all. But what's even more impressive is the 50W fast wired charging support, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This means you can spend less time plugged in and more time using your device. Additionally, intelligent power-saving features optimize battery consumption, helping extend battery life even further. Running on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15, the Phone 3a offers one of the cleanest and most optimized user experiences. Nothing has focused on minimalist aesthetics, faster animations, and meaningful customizations to provide an uncluttered and fluid UI. Unlike other smartphones that come with pre-installed bloatware, Nothing OS 3.1 keeps things simple, ensuring you get a pure Android experience with fast updates, better privacy controls, and improved efficiency. The Nothing Phone 3a is a fantastic mid-range smartphone that combines a stunning display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera setup, and a clean software experience. With its signature glyph interface, customizable action button, and eye-catching design, it brings something truly unique to the smartphone market. If you're someone who values premium aesthetics, smooth performance, and a clutter-free user experience, the Nothing Phone 3a is a solid choice. With its competitive pricing and flagship-like features, it proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-end smartphone experience. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3a? Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth smartphone reviews and the latest tech updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content.